This video demonstrates how to run the Renesas AI Applications Demo on the V2L Evaluation Board Kit. This AI Applications Demo requires the following external equipment in addition to the V2L Evaluation Board Kit: an HDMI monitor which allows display with full HD resolution, a USB camera, and a USB mouse. You need to download the AI Applications Demo program from the website and write the downloaded image file to a microSD card in preparation for running the program. You also need to prepare a PC running Mac OS, or Windows, or a Linux OS for X64 CPU, with an internet connection, and a microSD card with a capacity of at least 16 GB. Let's obtain an AI Applications Demo. Start a browser on the PC having an internet connection and open the web page at https://renesas-rz.github.io/rzv_ai_sdk/latest. Scroll through the bookmark list in the tree view at left to display the demo item and use the mouse to click on it. Select the Download V2L AI Applications Demo button under for V2L EVK. The screen for confirming assent for usage appears. Select the Accept and Download button and the downloading process will start. Once the download is completed, close your browser. Extract the contents of the downloaded file. Proceed to the next step, using the Boolean Etcher tool to write the downloaded demo program to a microSD card. Start the browser and open the web page at https://etcher.boolean.io. Select the Download Etcher button. Download the Etcher software that best suits the PC you are using and install that software on the PC. Launch the installed Etcher software and select the Flash from File button. Select the extracted AI Applications Demo image file with the wic.gz filename extension. Insert a microSD card into the PC. Select the Select Target button in the Boolean Etcher window. Select the microSD card to which you want the AI Applications Demo image written. Select the Flash button and the process of writing the AI Applications Demo image will start. The writing process will be finished in a few minutes. Once writing is completed, close the Etcher software. Follow the procedure specified for the PC you are using to remove the microSD card from the PC. This completes the processes involving the PC. Now proceed with inserting the prepared microSD card into the slot on the V2L Evaluation Board and run the AI Applications Demo. You need to set up the environment for the V2L Evaluation Board Kit. Connect the HDMI monitor to the V2L Evaluation Board and then connect the USB camera and mouse to the board. Conclude this stage by connecting the power cable to the board. Do not connect the power cable to the AC power source at this point in time. Insert the microSD card holding the AI Applications Demo image into the slot on the board. Set all switches of SW1 and SW11 on the V2L Evaluation Board as shown on the screen at this point. Connect the power cable to the AC power source and two of the LEDs will light up. Press and hold the SW9 power button for several seconds until all three LEDs light up. The demo is launched and the GUI home screen for the demo appears on the monitor. Scroll through the list of applications in the left pane or through the panels in the right pane and select the application demo you want to launch. Let's launch the Confluence Room Usage Monitor demo. Press the Start USB Camera button in the selected panel to run the application. The screen for the Confluence Room Usage Monitor demo appears. To end the application demo, press the blue termination button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. The GUI home screen reappears. Follow the procedure described from this point to turn off the power supply to the V2L Evaluation Board. Click on the blue termination button in the top right-hand corner of the GUI home screen. Confirm that the power down message is displayed on the HDMI monitor. Press and hold the SW9 power button for several seconds until the number of lit LEDs changes from 3 to 2. Disconnect the power cable from the AC power source. The AI Applications Demo is completed at this point. To refer to the details on the demo program, open the web page at https://renss-rz.github.io/rzv_ai_sdk/latest and then select the V2L AI Applications Demo How to Use Guide button under for V2L EVK. The V2L AI Applications Demo How to Use Guide web page will appear.